Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to go over a Condor pouch. Alright guys, so what we got here is a Condor utility pouch. Now what this is it's pretty similar to your Eagle Industries utility pouch, the 9x3x5, slightly smaller, but overall the same kind of concept and design. So starting from the front, we got MOLLE Webbing on there, so if you need to put chem lights, any other pouches or accessories, you can mount it right on front and you're good to go. On the back, got a good MOLLE field to mount it up, so it's going to stay on secure and not going to go anywhere. And now to the main part of the pouch. Big old zipper, two-way. On the inside, it's fairly open, so you can shove whatever bulky items you need in there. These are great for just those bulkier items you need at the range, or on your kit when you're out doing whatever it is. Just good to go pouch to put anywhere in your kit or backpack. But yeah, utility pouches are a good add-on for anything. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Condor, I know some people aren't the biggest fan of it. I've used quite a bit of it before when I was early in the military, and it does the job. It gets you to where you can get a better pouch and know what you actually need. This is definitely one of those examples where you can get a decent pouch and it'll get you where you need to find a better one potentially. But overall, a good pouch for weekend warriors.